Thank you, and thank you for being here. And good morning. And it's really a pleasure to have all of you. I think we met many of you in the last week on the Global Investor Meet. So it's really nice to meet a lot of you again here for a joyous occasion. So, yeah, I think I'm just going to quickly take you a short journey of Saint-Gobain and then talk a little bit about the new facilities. And so you're familiar that we were founded in 1665, almost around the same time when Chennai was founded. Chennai was for the modern Chennai, or at the time what was called Madras, was founded in 1639, Taj Mahal in 1643, and Saint-Gobain in 1665. And the king was our first customer for the Hall of Mirrors. If some of you have gone to the Palais de Versailles, you will find that, and that was our first order, 1678. So today, Saint-Gobain is a very large company, nearly 40 billion euro or 3.25 lakh crores. One of the top 100 companies in the index on innovation, in the Fortune 500, somewhere in the 200s. And a lot of what we do is for the construction and the building industry. And we have really 180,000 employees, and you know that it's already 354 years that we've been. And we are present in 64 countries. One of the interesting things about Saint-Gobain is that innovation is at the heart of Saint-Gobain. 1 out of 4 products that we make today, including in India, we've invested over 7,500 crores. We have more than 20 years in, as I said, 6,000 employees. 6,000 employees, and we have very strong brands in India. Almost all the brands of Saint-Gobain are either number 1 or number 2, and we have 22 manufacturing sites. Is there? It's flickering here. Is there something? That's okay. Okay, fine. Okay. I'll just take you through a short journey of Saint-Gobain glass, because Saint-Gobain glass is nearly slightly more than half of the Saint-Gobain, much more in terms of the investment. We began our journey here at a greenfield investment in 2000. That was our first major investment. It was in 2000. We put the foundation stone in 1998. And that was our first investment. We moved into, in 2005-06, we invested in the second float line. In between, we invested in several value-added lines like mirrors and solar control. In 2010-11, we took over a float line, acquired a float line in the west of India, which is Jagadia, which is our third float line. And in 2014, we inaugurated our fourth float line, or the third one from the greenfield at Bhiwadi, Rajasthan, very close to Delhi, about 65 kilometers. In between, we have been ramping up our capacity in the automotive, starting from a laminated line, then into for the windshield lines, then into tempered for the side light, then backlights. We've been increasing the capacity steadily, keeping in tune with the automotive industry. Then we also invested quite a lot in solutions, which is essentially architectural glazing solutions. We invested in advanced lines, which are for fireproof, fire safety glazing, which can withstand, say, you have a raging fire outside at 1200 degrees, it can hold the fire for 2 hours. So we make that here in Chennai, and we also have a bulletproof glazing made out of these lines here. So it's been a fairly steady, barring, if I'm not mistaken, barring a gap between 2007 and 11, when we did not make any major investments. And it's also the period, if you realize, globally there was a downturn in 2008. Barring that period, almost every year we've been consistently, you know all of that, you heard so much of that in the last week. Good people, talented people, educated, disciplined, process oriented, all of that is very important for us. And